over a damn chicken. I made it disappear. I stole it. Maybe it disappeared. I said, ah, what a coincidence. We'll make you disappear too. Mine's dumber. I was a card magician. A man shows up at my door. I said, magic. It's not real. They showed me my ID. Is this your card? Guess even magic is real. If you insist on finding it. If you're looking for stupid, he's right here. I was haunted by gnomes. Every day they would mysteriously appear on my lawn. I was scared for my life. I went to the Secret Service building and told the porter of this mysterious event. He tried to shush me away, but I made such a racket, they had to take me in. After that, they sent me here. Stupid, right? At least there aren't any gnomes here. Well, there's not much of anything, really.